Greetings, Linda Hollington here again with Coldwell Banker. Wanted to remind you to get out this weekend to the open houses. If you're a buyer, there's tons of open houses. In fact, I'm having one in Indialantic, Florida at 50 11th Avenue, right on Beachside. It's a beautiful condo, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So you can join me there. You can get a list from your realtor, or you can contact us to get your list from the porch here. And there are several opportunities out there. Even if you're not a buyer, if you're thinking about buying, it's a good thing to get out and look. If you're thinking about selling, you should get out and look around at least around your zip code to see what your competition would be. So get that list and get out there this week and enjoy looking at open houses. Thank you for joining me. Bye.